They say your first time will never be your best, so I'm gonna make this video strictly for that purpose. It being my very first, and to get over that first barrier of belief that I might not be good enough for this channel, which I doubt because I've been wanting to do this for like a few years at this point. So here I go. I am Evereston, and this is my YouTube channel. I want it to be related to spirituality, like occultism, fitness, mental health, and so on. I believe these could all be interlinked in some special form or another, and I would like to be the one to do that. So here I am. This is my first video. There we go. Just got it over with.